Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We are going to start in a cross-legged position. Now, if that doesn't feel comfortable to you, you can sit however you want to. Let's do a seated cow pose, dropping our head back. And now a seated cat pose, rounding our spine, pulling the chin in towards the chest. Again, seated cow pose, arch the back, drop your head back, and cat pose, round your spine, maybe straighten those arms a little bit more. And we come back up to center, lengthen your spine, taking a big inhale and forward fold, walk your hands forward. I want you to relax your head, your neck, your shoulders, and we take a little movement, maybe swaying gently from side to side. We slowly rise back up. And we're just going to switch the cross of our legs so that the other leg is in front. Sweep your arms overhead, reaching up. And now let's twist to the right. You're going to place your left hand on top of the right knee, and you can look over your right shoulder. With every inhale, you lengthen your spine. With every exhale, you twist a little deeper. Take an inhale as you lift your arms up again. Exhale, twist to the left. Come back to center, straighten your right leg, and it can be to the front or to the side. Extend the arms up and forward fold. You're just folding over that right leg. Keep those right toes flexed. Let's rise back up, coming into our butterfly, soles of the feet together. Grab onto your ankles and bounce the knees. Come into your forward fold, walking your hands forward. Again, take any movement that you need, swaying gently from side to side. And now we come up, straightening our left leg out. Extend the arms up, reaching up, and forward fold. Keep that left foot flexed. Let's come back into our butterfly. Lift your shoulders up to your ears, and now roll your shoulders back and down. Let's do that one more time. We lift the shoulders up and roll them back and down. And now lift your shoulders up and roll them front and down. Let's do that one more time. Front and down. Drop your head forward. Make your way into your forward fold. Let's rise up, closing the legs together. Straighten your right leg. Placing your left hand behind you, you reach up with that right arm and we twist to the left, hooking the right elbow on top of the left knee. Switch sides. And now we come back to center and we're gonna bring our left ankle on top of our right knee, coming into our figure 4. And you can kind of scoot up a little bit if you need to, straighten your back, and just breathe here, maybe taking some head circles. Switch sides. And now relax that right leg back down. We're gonna keep our knees bent. You can grab onto opposite wrist. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Extend both legs in front of you and come into your forward fold. We come back up and we're gonna make our way back into that cross-legged position. And maybe you feel a little looser here, a little more comfortable than when we started. Let's extend the arms up overhead, reaching up, looking up. And now we bring our hands to heart center for our final deep breath in through our nose. And let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next class.